the reason I say that, because just want you guys to compare how the way women or me, maybe just only me, how the way me, if we cannot understand each other and we be and mad to each other, you know, we are just a human being, guys. My goodness, we are still on the flesh. We are still here, so we fall to sin. That's why every moment we need God's grace. We need God's grace so that we will not be being disciplined. But if you decide to have a decision that you cannot, that it's not about the discipline, character's discipline, then it will be have like, you can face the things that that you decide. Your experience is based on your action or your word. So it may discipline you because of what you said or what you do, like that.